take a look at this problem. First thing I notice is they're all divisible by 3, and they all have a t squared. So GCF-wise, I'll factor out a 3t squared. 9 divided by 3 is 3. Had 4 t's, we took 2 of them away, so that leaves us 2 t's. Plus, 21 divided by 3 is 7. We had 3 t's, we took 2 away, so that leaves us a single t. Minus 18 divided by 3 is 6. We had 2 t's, we took both of them away, so there's no t's left. Now what's inside here is key number. The reason why it's key number is because we have t squared, t, no t, and there's a number in front of our t squared. So we're going to take the number at the beginning times the number at the end, ignoring signs. 3 times 6 gives us 18. When I say the number at the beginning, I'm talking about the number in front of the t squared. When I'm talking about the number at the end, I'm talking about the constant term, the 6. And then we're going to create our 3 columns, our P column, our S column, and our D column. In the P column, we'll write down all products give us 18. We got 1 times 18, and 2 times 9, and 3 times 6. Now, sum column, we add these. 1 plus 18 is 19, 2 plus 9 is 11, 3 plus 6 is 9. In the difference column, we subtract them, smaller from larger. 18 minus 1 is 17. 9 minus 2 is 7. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now, the number we're looking for is the number in our middle term, which is 7, which is right here, which means we're going to use 2 and 9. Now, the 3t squared just carries down out in front. And this 3t squared comes down, and negative 6 comes down. And we're going to rewrite our middle term using these two numbers, 2 and 9. Now our larger number, which is a 9, is always going to be the same sign as the middle term. Middle term is positive, so we're going to have a positive 9t. Now number of circles in the difference column, D for different signs. It means one will be positive, one will be negative. Since the 9 was positive, the 2 will be negative. Now we're going to group these two terms together, and we'll group these two terms together, and we'll factor by grouping. Those first two terms have a GCF of 3t. I'm going to factor that out. That gives me t plus 3. Second group, both divisible by 2, and the first term is negative, so we'll factor out a negative 2. And that gives us t plus 3. Well, now they both have a t plus 3, so I can factor that out. Now, to see what goes in your second set of parentheses, you can go up to the previous step and cross out the t plus 3's. And what isn't crossed out is what goes right here. So this will be 3t minus 2. And that's our answer.